All right, welcome. So I did Recon in PentesterLab 1 through 10. We have yet to do 11 through 26. So we're going to get through 11 through 26 or however much we can get through. All right, so for this challenge, your goal is to brute force a virtual host. Okay, so we got files out there with hackycore.com like right here. Therefore, you need to target hackycore.com and brute force the virtual host. So for this one, we'll go ahead and we'll use FUF for it. So I'm going to hop over here. Let's go ahead and exit out of this guy. Hop over here, clear that out. All right, we'll just stay in here, whatever. Oh, yeah, we'll go, whatever. Okay, we'll make a new directory. Desktop, and we'll make directory for PentesterLabs. CD there. All right, let's go ahead and start with a curl. So we are going to curl attack you, our site here, right? So HTTP. And we're going to look at the header information, correct? So we'll say host fuzz.hackycore.com. There we go. All right. And then we'll give it a word list, user share. Why am I not? Oh, I'm doing curl. I want to do FUF, that's why. Oh, I was looking weird. Okay, there we go. Tag W, user share, word list, dir B. We'll just use big.text. I think that should work for it. And we start getting a whole bunch of stuff. Let's go ahead and get rid of 12 words, I guess, maybe. Tag FW 12. Something to realize, once you start getting rid of words, once you start getting rid of lines, things like that, make sure you go back and try different things. And this one also, I did have a problem grabbing the flag for it. So that was something on this one, like right here. Another way to also do this, we could also do GoBuster, right? vhost, attack you, hackycore.com, user share word list. We'll just use dir B again, big.text. You could also use the seclist one. All right, but looks like it's having problems again. We are doing the host. Yep, fuzz. I believe it's hackycore.com, right? Hackycore.com. Okay. Let's go ahead, because you should have found it by now. So let's go ahead and use attack W. And I'm going to get rid of this guy right here. And we'll try it for maybe size. I feel like we should have found it by now. Here we can also use seclist too. A good one to use the seclist is user share seclist DNS or discovery DNS, and then the subdomains. You can do top 5,000 for this one, like right here, which is another one that we could use. But I did not have this many problems the first time I did this, so didn't think I was gonna have this many problems the second time. Discovery DNS, and we'll do subdomains top 5,000. At least we see the www, so we know it's working. Of course, it doesn't want to work this time. No, we see balancer, but that's not it. That's not what we're looking for. All right, like I said, the one that we have I was having problems with last time also. You want to get rid of that. We'll get rid of TAC-FW. We'll say 12 again instead of the 108 this time for size. This one seems to be a little bit broken. So what it is admin. That's what we're looking for, like right here, is admin. It's obviously working like right there. But like I said, the admin site, I was also having problems with getting to last time I did this. Yeah, it still looks like it's kind of down like right now. But it is admin that you would find, and they go from there. So it was having problems. I found it. I thought it had to do something with my words or, when I was deleting off, things like that. But it did finally find it. Let's go ahead and make a little nano a.text or something like that. And we'll just put stuff in here and see if it actually finds admin or not. But it is admin that you're supposed to find. We're just going to say a.text. Okay, so it seems like it's not able to find admin there now, is it? So it seems like we're having the same problem. This is what I was the other day, but it is /admin. They're supposed to find out that one. And I can't actually pull the thing for you guys anymore. I was hoping I could pull the score for you guys so I can actually just show you guys what it was. Alright, but it is supposed to be /admin. Hopefully they get that fixed. I did type something in here also saying that there was a problem with it. So hopefully they get that part fixed. So let's move on to 12. Good start. Good start. I didn't have any other problems except for that. All right. So serving request for a single application for this challenge, access load balanced application. So we did find that balancer. That was one of the things that we found, right? So all this is just as you start to continue to go at a page, right? So you might just see not yet. As you start to go at a page, okay, and then you keep refreshing that page, it may try to load balance between servers, and you may actually catch it on our server, and there we go. Okay, so it did it, and we got that right there. I did try to use the load balancer 4 that comes built in with Kali, LBD. All right, I did try to use that, but it states that there is no load balancer actually found for it. So I went over there and started doing refreshing it, and I ended up finding that flag like right there. There is also another person that does the same thing, and they actually show the admin flag for this like right here. They actually show that part like right there. Let's go ahead and let's try that because that's bothering me. Let's go ahead and try HTTPS like real quick. There we go. So HTTPS, we do find that admin flag. Okay, let's go ahead and try HTTPS over here. Okay, it's still saying that doesn't exist, but let's go ahead and curl it. Let's try a curl. All right, it's having problems. So, yep, but it is having problems. But there is another woman out there that also shows you the flag for that one, like right there. Let's keep this guy going. So we just did number 12. Let's go ahead and head over to number 13. All right, for this challenge, go retrieve a text record, okay, for key.z.hardcoded.com. So what we can do with this, and we can do is dig text, and we'll say, let's go ahead and ping that guy first, so we know what the IP address is. Okay, so we got the IP address like right there, right? So we're going to dig. Let's try that like right there, okay? And we do see this key, and we remember we put that text, okay? And we do see keyz.hardcoded.com. There's our flag like right there for us. All right. Next one we have Recon 14. All right, for this challenge goes for a zone transfer. So this time we're going to do same exact thing pretty much, except for this time we're going to do AXFR. That's going to do our zone transfer for us. And it states on the same exact site, zhackycore.com. No, looks like they didn't want to do it like that time. Okay, let's go ahead and check out, because I know I also have my notes for zone transfers. So let's go ahead and check that out. And of course, I did not save it. Dig AXFR. Yep, that should have done it like right there. And we get transfer failed. Okay, let's go ahead and see what's going on with this guy right here. Try DNSSEC maybe? No. Why are we getting command failed? Should be AXFR, right? I believe. Maybe I should get rid of the dot there first off. It's very strange. And that's where we're supposed to be going at, right? Ah, Z, that's why. There we go. Maybe if I actually look at how I'm doing, make this a little bit better, right? z.hackycore.com. Okay. Let's see here. What else do we got? So we got that guy like right there. So we need to find the domain name for this guy. We need to do a zone transfer. Let's do our AXFR. There we go. Okay, Recon 14. There we go. Man, that took way longer than it should have. All right, Recon 15. Okay. This will look for INT. Okay, the internal service right. So we actually just do his INT, kind of like what we did with text. And we should be able to see that like right there. If we can see it. All right, nothing there. What about INT text? Maybe AXFR. Okay, keep looking at different things here. That is for zhackycore. Am I in the right place? Yep, zhackycore. Okay, internal transfer for that guy. Okay, let's go ahead and try. There we are. Okay, zone transfer, internal, and we grab it. The flag for that one. Okay. Recon 16. This was for a bind. All right. So this like right here, I actually have this guy like right here. All right, we're going to use a dig chaos text version.bind. So we use dig, because this took me a minute to find. Version.bind, okay. And we have our version bind right there. I wonder if it actually came up with it up here. No, it did not. We didn't type in bind all the way. So we have our version bind right there. All right, awesome. Another flag for this guy completed. All right, number 17. Almost there. All right, for this challenge, your goal is to look at the name of the developer who committed code on the HackyCore GitHub account. Okay, so now we're going to try to find the HackyCore GitHub account. So if we just Google HackyCore GitHub, right, we'll go ahead and find that guy right there. See a whole bunch of different repositories and things like that. And what we have here, let's see here. What was the exact question here? So organization repository test 1. Okay, so we want to look at test 1, which we did actually see that. Test 1. Okay, and there's the developer for it, right? So there we go. All right, easy day. We'll be doing a lot of stuff with GitHub here in a minute. Number 18 for this challenge goes to look at public repository of the developers of the organization. Okay, so now we're trying to find the public repository, right, of developers of the organization, okay? So we see a bunch of repositories here, right? We have our repositories, everything like that. We're pretty sure it's HackyCore we're pretty sure this one, like right here, is the, was the public one, right? But what we want to actually find is a little bit different here. So let's go ahead and look at, there's test 1, HackyCore dev, right? That's who wrote the first one, right? Test 1, documentation. Nothing there. I don't remember exactly where I found this one, like right here. Test. Just another key. There we go. All right. So there's the other one, okay? For the next one. All right, that's going back and looking at that HackyCore dev, the actual developer there, right? All right, next one. Number 19. Okay, this repository, they want us to look at repo 7, find an email address that is not like the other one, okay? So first thing we need to do is we need to back out of here because we know that repo 7 is in the regular HackyCore and not within HackyCore dev there. So let's go ahead and let's check out repo 7. Okay, and it says that an email address is not like the other one, right? So let's go ahead and do a git clone on this guy. Okay, cd into repo 7, git log, and we can see that one of these email addresses are very true, not like the other one. Okay, cool. So let's go ahead and look at the next part of this video, or next part of Recon, Recon 20. This challenge goes to look at repository 3 and check different branches. All right. It's always important to check out all the different branches. So let's go ahead and head over to repo 3. We'll click on branches. They got 2 branches here. And there we go. There's one of our branches is the key. Repo Recon 21. I almost said repo. It goes to look at the repository repo 4 and check for different branches. Okay. So now we're going to go into repo 4. Check for different branches. But it looks like, oh, there is 2. Okay, so we got test and we have master. Let's go and check out this test, I guess. Key. And that's for Recon 21. There we go. All right, awesome, easy day, right? Okay, then. So Recon 22. Avoid committing secrets by mistake. Developers just remove the file and commit again. Leave the information available for everyone to search for it. Okay, so this one's going to be in. Your goal is to find a file that's been deleted from repo 9. So we're going to have to go ahead and we're going to have to get clone for repo 9 now. So let's go ahead and cd back, and we will copy that, get clone for that guy like right there, right? And now what we got to do is we want to see how can we just see the deleted stuff, right? And what we can do with that is a git log diff, I believe it is. It might be diff filter. Nope. Okay. Oh, probably have to cd to repo 9 first off. Get filter D, okay. So not that one quite yet. Okay, we want to find deleted, correct? So summary, we can grep for delete. Okay, so we got this one like right here, this key.text like right here. So we should technically be able to actually look at that key.text and see what's different about that guy, like right there. Get log all. Nope, we don't want to do it like that. Yeah, we can do it like that actually, because we should actually be able to find it in here. There's going to be a lot of stuff in here, but there is a better way to be able to do it. We should tentatively be able to find it in here. But there's 100% a better way to be able to do it. Let's see here. I thought I just saw something. All right, we'll go ahead and we'll leave it like that because there's a better way to be able to do it. We could do the file name, get log all, and then we want to do it for the file name like that, or is it just key.txt? Key.txt, right? Yeah. Key.txt. Okay, still nothing there. Let's go ahead and check this guy over here. You know what else we actually may be able to do, which I didn't even think of. Maybe I'll go into any one of them. Type in .patch. Nope, not there. Okay. So now we want to come back over here, right? And we want to go to 9/commit. That guy like right there. Do we have it? There we go. And there you go, like right there, Recon 22. Okay, /commit. And then we committed that one that was deleted, and we found it right here. All right. Awesome day. So that was Recon 22. Recon 23. You go look at the repository repo 0A and find sensitive information in the commit message. Okay, let's go ahead and check out repo 0A. Let's go to the commit messages, right? I'm not seeing much in here. Let's go ahead and try to go to .patch with that one. Right there, see if we see anything. We don't see anything in .patch there either. All right, so now we got to try to figure out how to look at these messages like right here. And we should actually be able to just do a quick git clone for that one. Copy that guy. Okay, git log. Okay, cool. Probably actually find it in here. Oh, there it is, like right there. All right, for Recon 23, found the message like right there. We could also do something like a git log and then grep for attack, and there we go. So nothing else has attack in it, like right there. Okay, what was that? That was Recon 23, correct? Yep. On 24 now. Let's go ahead and take a look at this. This challenge goes to look at a server used to load assets. Okay, so let's go ahead and go to assets.hackycore.com. And sure enough, if we just go here, okay, we get this. And it tells us to look for key.txt, correct? And find the file name key.txt. So if we just do a /key.txt, there we go. Recon 24 is finished. So now we need to go get Recon 25. And 2 more rooms. That was Recon 24 like right there. Okay, Recon 25. Okay. So this one looks at Amazon Web Services. And so I already logged in and everything like that. So what we're going to do is we are going to go ahead and look for, yep, that's exactly what I want. Okay, thank you very much. Okay, we're going to look at AWS S3 copy, S3 asset into key.txt, all right? Because it's telling us that's S3 asset, and it's called key.txt. So we're going to go ahead and we're going to do that. All right. And from here, we can go ahead and cat key.text. And there we go. Recon 25 is now finished. All right. And then the last one, Recon 26. Okay, the very last one is for this challenge. Go back to assets and find a hard-coded key in one of the JavaScript files. Okay, so now let's go ahead and go back to assets and find the hard-coded key in one of the JavaScript files. Okay, now we'll do an F12. Let's go ahead and look at network. See if see anything in there. Okay. Look for a hard-coded key in one of the JavaScript files, right? Filter JavaScript. Did not have as many problems with it last time. Leave. Let's try to look at key.text again, see if we get anything with JavaScript in here. You know what? It actually might be back in Hacky Core. Filtering out the JavaScript in here. Let's see what we got here. And we got script.js like right there. Okay, let's go ahead and head over to there. There we go. Okay. And there we go. PentesterLabs key 26. So it's actually, did that thing say it was in assets? Used to load assets. Okay. Just trying to confuse with that. All right. So that is going to be it. We got our script.js like right there. Double click on that guy. And there we are for our JavaScript files. That is 11 through 26. Sorry I couldn't show you key 11. Hopefully you get there. Or hopefully you're able to find the actual key itself, because like I said, it does have a problem. But other than that, that is the whole thing. So hopefully you guys liked it, and I will see you all later.